In today's JAMB series, we are going to be solving a past question on profit and loss percents. Let's do this. So the question before us, a trader bought 100 oranges at 5 for 1 naira 20 kobo. 20 oranges got spoiled and the remaining were sold at 4 for 1 naira 50 kobo. Find the percentage gain or loss. The first thing we need to get is actually what is its cost price. That means how much did he spend to buy all those oranges altogether. And he bought these oranges 5 for 1 naira 20 kobo. You know, some parts of this country, they arrange oranges in sets, right? And I want you to picture yourself, buying these oranges in sets of what? Of 5, as they used to arrange it like this. And this 5 cost was 1 naira 20 kobo. So how many of these sets did this trader gather to arrive at 100? Obviously, he must have gathered 20 of this set, because 20 times 5 gives us what? 100. So that means he gathered 20 of these groups of 5 to arrive at 100, meaning that he must have paid 1 naira 20 kobo 20 times to arrive at the cost price, which is what? 24 naira. Now, for the selling price, remember, out of these 100 oranges, 20 got spoiled, right? That means she's left with only 80 oranges. For these 20 oranges, she sold them at 4 for 1 naira 50 kobo. That means she arranged her own oranges in the group of 4. And each of those group of 4, she sold them for 1 naira 50 kobo. So how many group of 4 did she gather to sell the entire 80? 80 divided by 4, that is also what? 20. That means she arranged the oranges in a group of 4 20 times, right? And that means she sold 1 naira 50 kobo 20 times. And when you multiply it together, realize that she actually has a selling price of 30, which is 30 naira. So she sold the 80 oranges in a group of 4, 20 groups of 4. So she sold the 80 oranges, 20 groups of 4, and she sold it for what? 30 naira. So we have realized that obviously this person made a gain, right? Because her selling price is more than her cost price. So she actually made a gain, and that gain is what? No, gain is what? Selling price minus cost price, which is actually 30 minus 24 naira. And that's a gain of 6 naira. Now, we're not interested in just the gain, we have to calculate what? The percentage gain. So percentage gain, also known as percentage profit, whoever the name the question may call it. The gain, also known as the profit, over the cost price multiplied by 100. And in this case, our gain is 6 naira, the cost price is 24 naira, multiplied by 100. Remember, up and down, 6 can be divided by 6 1. 24 can also be divided by 6 4 times. 4 can be divided by 4 1. 100 can be divided by 4 25 times. And this trader made a profit of what? 25%. 25%. I want you to try this task. A car dealer bought a car for 250,000 naira and spent 70,000 to refurbish it. He then sold the car for 400,000. What is the percentage gain? Remember, the cost price in this case is the 250,000 naira he bought the car, plus the amount he used to what? To refurbish the car. That's the cost price. The selling price is straightforward, which is 400,000 from the question. So with this, you can calculate the gain, then the percentage gain, right? Which is what? Gain over cost price times 100. So if you work this carefully, you should arrive at what? 25% as your answer. I want you to try this and play with other profit and loss percent related question in your JAMB past question. This will help your speed in the examination hall. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe so that you can keep seeing our videos as they are coming.